My lord, may I have the liberty to mention, if my lord would recall, there is that matter where the teachers are not being allowed to sit for interviews. My lord, there's some urgency in the matter, if my lord.
In one, I'm for the state test.
Not today.
Lordship.
I am for the petition.
My lord, I am for the state for item number 3.
DPSC. Which DPSC is this?
Bhaskar Vaishya. I talked with him. He will appear probably in a virtual mode.
I'll be appearing virtually, my lord. Please record my appearance
For
because
the
I've come
state.
here to cast vote.
You are for inter-district transfer, this is?
No, this
My
is
lord,
not
item number 2, my lord, item number 2, I am appearing for the state, my lord. Item number 2, my lord.
I am challenging the order of suspension here, my lord.
Here are 3. 2 not today.
My lord, I am for item number 3. I have a
My lord,
senior.
what? My lord, item 2, my
Item
lord.
number 2 not today.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Yes. See,
I'm
this
from
is
item 3, my lord,
suspension.
for
Yes.
state.
Suspension take the look at trans. Here's the name.
Normally Bhaskar Vaishya appeared, my lord. I talked with him, my lord. He said that he will appear in virtual mode, but I could not find him in virtual mode.
My lord, I am from item number 3, my lord. I have a senior, Mr. Arjun Roy Mukherjee.
They're for the state, na?
Yes, for the state.
It list goes on. Miscellaneous রাখো দেখছি কোথাও ট্রান্সফার লিখেছে কিনা this is not transfer no this is not transfer petition
No, I am not asking for transfer. Actually, my lord, the order of transfer was issued by the DPSC. I didn't join in that, my lord, school. But thereafter, my lord, the order of suspension was issued. But I have challenged here the order of, my lord, suspension.
why you did not join
My lord, I am the senior most teacher of that school, my lord, first of all. Secondly, my lord, there are, my lord, other surplus teacher who are junior to me, my lord, they have not been transferred. Although, my lord, the transfer order was issued on, my lord, 29th of January 2024 as against, my lord, 12 persons, my lord. কবে হবে এটা আবার নেক্সট
next week আসবে next week Thursday তে আসবে
Grateful, my lord.
Or my lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord, being led by Mr. Ujjwal Rai, my lord. Mr. Rai, my lord, is virtually, my lord.
what is this matter
Pertaining to transfer, my lord. Unmute.
My lord, this is my application for transfer, my lord.
this is inter-district transfer or within the district
within the district, my lord.
within
So there has been, my lord, initially in the online application portal, she made this application on medical ground, or she was verified by the CMOH, and thereafter nothing happened. Then, my lord, she once again made an
Which
offline
DPS?
application. I'm sorry.
Bankura
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 DPS.
which was it
Then finally, my lord, I'm so sorry, my lord. But finally, my lord, I have made the offline application for transfer, so which is also pending at the end of the school
come
itself.
up next week
As your lordship.
next week
I appear for the state.
you are for
DPSC, my lord. Yes, sir.
But by petitioner is an assistant teacher, my lord, under the District Primary School Council, Murshidabad, my lord. By an transfer order, my lord, petitioner has been transferred to a distance which is, my lord, the 75 kilometers away from his residence, my lord. petitioner's father is suffering from severe ailments, my lord, and he is in bedridden condition, my lord. But I have joined the transfer post, my lord, and I have made an application before the authority to reconsider the transfer order, my lord. And my lord, if any vacancy is available, but in any school nearby to my residence, my lord, that may be considered, my lord. Page 21, my lord. And
You have joined.
yes, I have joined the transfer post. Only my
Prayer,
request.
prayer B goes.
Yes, my lord.
You are not now asking for setting aside of the transfer.
No,
You are
no,
not.
no.
taking it.
Only, my lord, the consideration of my application, my lord. Page 21, my lord.
When did you make the representation?
My lord, 18 September 2025.
Yes.
Correct, my lord. Consider representation.
But how could it be? This was the administrative transfer, or you applied?
Administrative transfer. Page 16 is the transfer order, my lord. Along with other teachers, my lord, I was transferred, my lord. Page 16, my name is featuring at
Where
serial.
is Mr. Jahan?
He is in virtual mode, my lord, before code number 24, my lord. My lord, let it be considered before the chairman, my lord.
There will be no bar under 6.1 now.
Oh, my lord, it is an administrative transfer, my lord.
Okay.
And I have only, my lord, made a representation whether if any vacancy is available in any school, my lord, nearby to my residence, my lord. Since my father is suffering from severe ailments, my lord. There is no one other than the petitioner to look after my parents, my lord.
Which paragraph you have stated that? Representation maintained but Indian no step has been taken for its test. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the
Paragraph
petitioner
11, my
taken on record by the present writ petition. The petitioner seeks for setting aside of the impugned order of transfer dated 12 September 2025 issued by the respondent number. Chairman is
But the 6.
the District Primary School Council, Murshidabad. The petitioner contains that he has been transferred from 42. He is an assistant teacher
Fine.
who has been transferred from Ekdala Primary School under Beldanga East Circle to 72 Joyrampur Primary School under Bhagwan Gola South Circle, which is about 75 kilometers away from his place of residence. At the time of filing of the writ petition, you joined the school or subsequent date?
Subsequently, my lord, I have joined the transfer post.
On 18 September 2025, the petitioner made a representation before the chairman seeking for who is suffering? Father.
But the father. But
ওটার আগে দিয়ে দিন তো।
paragraph 11, my lord, I have stated.
The father of the petitioner is suffering from severe ailments and is bedridden. Petitioner made a representation for redressal of his grievance. However, the same is still pending consideration. Hence, this writ petition. Mr. Onindo Bose, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that after filing of the writ petition, the petitioner has already joined his new place of posting, that is 72 Joyrampur Primary School under Bhagwan Gola South Circle. And as such, the petitioner is not pressing his prayer for taking aside of the order of transfer. However, he seeks that the representation be considered by the authority concerned. Ms. So learned advocate appearing for DPSC Murshidabad concedes that the representation may be relegated to the appropriate authority for due consideration. Similar submission is also made on behalf of the state. In view of the above, the writ petition stands dismissed. However, the writ petition is dismissed. However, yes, since you are not pressing for you have joined, there is nothing left. However, the representation dated 18th September 2025 is directed to be considered by the
S106.
6 in accordance with law upon notice to the petitioner within a period of 8 months. Huh? Huh?
DPSC.
সার্ভার জন এসছে তো কেটে দিন ম্যাডামকে বলে দিন যে সার্ভার জন আমি জানি না those advocates who are appearing give their name. If Mr. Jan is not there, don't give his name.
না না যে অ্যাডভোকেট এপিয়ার করছে তার নামটা দিয়ে দাও বললে স্যার আই এম ফর দ্য ডিপিএসসি মাই লর্ড ঝাড়গ্রাম
Which one?
Item 5 and he is appearing for the state.
ঠিক আছে দিয়েছে
Oh, okay. Sit down, sit down.
Should be eight I am for the petition and
Yes. Which DPSC this is?
lots of DP. I am for the petitioner. It's inter-district transfer from Uttar Dinajpur to Murshidabad.
Not today. Board is not here.
Grateful.
Board. দেখো না ম্যাডাম বোর্ডের কেউ আছে কিনা জাস্ট মিনিট ম্যাডাম বোর্ডের দেখুন দেখি ফাইলটা কি হয়েছে
Transfer.
Uttar Dinajpur থেকে
Question is not marked in my petition, and moreover, my clerk is not there. I am handicapped today.
ঠিক আছে নট টুডে করো
Grateful, Lordship.
Nine for the petitioner, my lord.
and I am applying for today DPSC
TPSC, Mr. Gaurav, South.
sir
Petitioner son, my lord, suffering from autistic. My application is page 26, my lord.
Whether in the case of autism, your lordship is already passed an order. By treating an autism is a special case and
this is within 5 years
within
Yeah,
5
within
years.
in which paragraph you have stated
I stated, my lord, paragraph
affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record by the present writ petition. The petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities for inter-district
yes, my lord.
inter-district transfer from which place to which place?
South 24 Parganas to North 24.
South 24 Parganas, district of South 24 Parganas to district of North 24 Parganas upon consideration of representation dated 10th October 2025. The petitioner contains that she joined as an assistant teacher in Jati Rampur FP school on 20th July 2021. Confirmation?
Confirmation, my lord.
The petitioner has been
Annex P2, my lord, page 16, 16.
confirmed in service with effect from 20th July 2023, 20. The petitioner's residence is about 107 kilometers away from her present place of posting. The petitioner's child is a special child suffering from autism spectrum disorder, within bracket ASD. On 10th October 2025, the petitioner made a representation before the concerned authority seeking transfer. However, the same is still pending consideration. Baki the same. Secretary is respond number
Respond number my lord 4.
4. Consider the representation.
It is special case my lord. What is
Representation within a period of 8 weeks from date of communication of this order, subject to production of relevant medical papers and documents. It is a reason order communicate করব এখানে লিবার্টি দেবেন না প্রোডাকশন subject to production of the document. It is made clear that the present order is passed under special circumstances and that should not be treated as a precedent. Dent T. Disposed of.
Good.
I'm for the state, my lord, in this matter.
My lord,
This is inter-district.
Yes.
mutual transfer my lord.
Mutual transfer, Bakura, Howrah.
Howrah, Bakura.
Bakura আছে অনলাইন আছে।
Bakura কি আছে?
ভাস্কর প্রসাদ বৈশ্য।
Appearing lordship on behalf of the DPSC Bakura lordship.
Okay. Where is the application for mutual transfer?
My application is page my lord
28
22 my lord.
20.
Total now pending is my lord both request sent to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education, both mutual transfer. This is the present status my lord. After filing the writ petition, now pending before the board.
দুটোই 21
This you have annexed? No.
No, after filing the writ petition,
What is it? This is pending.
the present status my lord.
ও প্রেজেন্ট
It is
At the-
pending.
Yes my lord, primary board before the board.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioners
Petition.
seek for consideration of the prayer of mutual transfer in favor of the petitioners. Petitioner contains that both of them are presently assistant teachers in which school? In
I stated my lord paragraph 3 and 4.
Dangar Sai Primary School under Bankura District Primary School, Raipur. And petition number 2.
Paragraph 4 I stated.
Kollan
Basic school.
School, Howrah. Circle, Pani Bonnet, take a the petitioners contained that petition number 1 posted omuk, petition number 2 posted omuk. The petitioners made representation for made application through online Utsosri portal for mutual transfer, which is still pending consideration. After same relegated thematic, consider within a period of 8 weeks from date of communication. Why? Election is almost over now.
Lordship, my name has been recorded as the DPSC
Yes.
Bakura.
Disposed of?
10 weeks
Name has been recorded, lordship.
Yes, yes.
Lordship.
Virtual.
Grateful. All.
My lord, I am for the petitioner. Inter-district transfer, my lord. পূর্ব বর্ধমান।
Not today. 12.
Well, my lord, I am for the DPSC, my
This is inter within district.
Within district, my lord, petitioner made an application, my lord.
My lord, he has not completed he has completed only 4 years.
But the
পাঁচ বছর তো হয়নি।
but the petition,
বলো সেটা।
my petitioner has not completed the 5-year service, my lord. But
When did you join it?
but in 2022, my lord.
Complete 5 years.
Page 14, my appointment letter, my lord. But the petitioner is a, my lord, the surplus teacher in the school, my lord. There are, my lord, 21 teachers and 21 students and 3 teachers, my lord. The state has taken a policy decision, my lord, but the school education department, but the in terms of which, my lord, dated 5th August 2025, my lord, whereby, my lord, the surplus teacher are being transferred for on rational basis, my lord, where there are, my lord, the lesser number of teachers. But the page 21.
He's a surplus teacher.
But these are, my lord, these teachers are, my lord, the surplus teacher on the basis of
No, the petitioner is a surplus teacher in the school.
yes. But the
Where is his name?
But the petitioner, my lord, made an application.
রাজকুমার নন্দী। বলো।
Rajkumar Nandi.
দেখতে হয়।
He is not here. Where is his name?
My lord, page 18 is the, my lord, the that employees chart, my lord, in respect of that circle, my lord. But the
Page 18. What is the name of the school?
Paschim Mendipur, it is marked, my lord.
Marked. This is Daton 2.
Daton
Jhalda.
Omodda primary. 45 total students and
কত নাম্বার? নাম্বার কত?
serial number নেই।
45 students.
45 students.
Teacher 1. How it is surplus?
Let it be taken up on the next day. I shall come with the ratio. Students PTR, my lord. That will be better.
No need to paragraph
considered.
But Omodda, it has been, is the Omodda school, which page 18 is the school where the petitioner is proposing to, my lord, the get transferred, my lord. And the, my lord, the SI of school, my lord, has forwarded my application.
5 years then.
But page 19 already forwarded my application has been forwarded by the SI, my lord. As per the and the office has no objection, my lord. Kindly see page 19.
It's not a question of objection. There has to be a ground. Asun. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Where is your affidavit?
Then, my lord, I shall place the affidavit that government order on the next day, my lord. 5th August government order, my lord.
No, we will not allow this writ petition because you have not completed. I will grant you liberty after 5 years you have applied. Whether there is surplus, they will
So, my
file
lord,
it.
as per the order of the government, my lord, I have applied.
That is
And that has been forwarded by the SI, my lord, indicating that the SI has no objection, my lord.
on that basis, my lord, he cannot make any application.
State has no objection, my lord.
DPSC will do on his.
No. As per the order of the government, my lord, I have made an application that has been forwarded by the SI concerned to the chairman, my
Not the
lord.
government.
It is not my
order
or
to
at
all
my-
the DPSCs to consider
At
the
my wish, my lord. It is as per
consider
the
that
government's notification, my lord.
surplus.
And I shall place the government notification on the next day, my lord. Kindly adjourn the matter for the day, my lord.
What is the notification?
For that 5th August notification, my lord. Of the school education department, my lord.
Where is that? Give me a soft copy of that. Show me that.
But it has been mentioned in the page 21, my lord. It has concurrence 5th August notification.
In the public interest, this transfer of the year. So what is this? This will say that
Surplus teachers,
apart from completing
for
5 years in service, they will be transferred.
But
It's not that.
But
There is no.
Why the case of petitioner then?
Now
Earlier,
all
no
the
other
teachers
to
will be
rationalized.
considered in the district, and it is considering. We are
It has to be
considering.
rationalized. But why petitioner?
No, petitioner cannot apply.
There are other teachers who have completed 5 years. Their case will be considered.
Petitioner can apply after
But it's not
completion
that
of
it is
5
left to
years.
petitioner only to transfer it for
That
rationalization.
is the DPSC can do.
But the SI has forwarded my application, my lord.
Yes,
You
I
have not
forward
completed
করতে
5
হবে
years.
না।
I will dismiss this writ petition, giving you liberty. You apply after 5 years.
Sir, I shall place on the next day, my lord, I shall
No.
place.
That will not improve his case.
No, let me try my luck before my lord on the next day.
Okay.
Not today. Not today.
দেখলি এতক্ষণ শুনানি করে তুমি কিছুই হলো না।
My lord, I am applying for DPSC. Dokhin Dinajpur.
None is there for petition. Next.
I am for DPSC.
DPSC.
Petition.
State 18. Next week.
I am for the state.
State.
21 minute time for the petitioner. Malad, it is a intra-district transfer.
Intra. Or is it DPSC?
Mr. Bhaskar Prasad Boisho is generally appeared for the North 24 Porgonas.
দেখো তো আছে কি অনলাইন?
এই তো রয়েছে, ভাস্কর দা রয়েছে।
Lord, sir, I am the not 20, but I do not know about the lordship today. Let the matter adjourn one day, lordship. I have come before his lordship.
তাহলে not today থাক।
Not 22. 22 I am for the petitioner.
This is inter.
22 এই কোথায় গেল? আমাদের কোথায় গেল? রঞ্জন দা কে? রঞ্জন দা এই রঞ্জন দা বলছি, রঞ্জন দা নয়, এই আমাদের আচার্য দা
বললে আমি
Mr. Shoibal Acharya is appearing, my lord. I inform let it be pass over, my lord. Shoibal Acharya, inter-district, Puro Medinipur.
Inter-district?
Inter-district,
Board has to give an
intra.
Intra.
Yes.
Pass.
এখানে থাকতে
Inter-district DPSC is the authority. Let it be adjourned. My lord, let it be adjourned.
23.
The DPSC.
My lord, 23 I am for the petitioner.
General transfer.
It is the inter-district.
Your state.
I am for the DPSC.
DPSC. Inter-district.
Intra.
Find out who is for the state, then we can dispose it.
My lord, let it be at pass over Sopot Mojumdar. My lord, 22, 23 I shall find out. 22, 23 let it be fast over.
It pass over রাখুন তো।
হ্যাঁ আমি ইনফর্ম করে দিচ্ছি 22 আজ মোমেন্ট 24 my lord, I am for the petitioner. It is a inter-district transfer. State
Chairman?
Murshidabad DPSC, my lord.
DPSC, my lord, I shall find out the state who will appearing and come back.
I am appearing for the primary school council in Murshidabad.
It is not today.
State 25.
On 30th, next date.
Not to it and not today.
25.
I'm for the state, my lord.
It is all parties. Yes, all parties. It's my lord, it is my service, my lord. It's a inter-district transfer from Dakshin Dinajpur to Nadia.
Okay.
My lord, ground is my lord child medical ground. My lord,
What happened?
no, my lord, it is a spouse medical ground. Gynecological disorder pending before the board, let it be considered by the board. বাবা ও নদিয়া না থাকলে দেখো ওটাকে কনসিডার করুন। ঠিক আছে এটা কনসিডার ইউজুয়াল মেন রেসপন্ডেন্ট টু অল মেন রেসপন্ডেন্ট আর হিয়ার।
কোথা থেকে যাচ্ছে কোথায়? You're going from which place?
My lord, Dakshin Dinajpur to Nadia, spouse medical ground pending before the board.
You are Dakshin Dinajpur. Nadia is not there.
Nadia is not main respondent. Dakshin Dinajpur is the main respondent.
He has not come.
I've seen him.
Yesterday he was there.
Nodia
কি দরকার? Nodia is not required, my lord. Nodia is not required at all.
He will come and say that I had some.
My lord, Mr. Chattopadhyay will come, my lord. Yesterday he informed me, my lord, he will available, my lord. Kindly let it be adjourned. Let it be passed over, my lord. Passed over, I shall inform.
এই তিনটে পাস ওভার থাক।
আমি তোকে 26, my lord, I am for the petitioner. এবার দেখো স্টেট আছে কিনা, স্টেট নেই। 27 over.
3 matters are passed over. You find out.
I shall.
হ্যাঁ।
28. 29.
আমি আর বলবো না।
30 I am for the petitioner.
30 I am for the council.
Inter-district transfer.
Which is the other DPSC?
My lord, the Paschim Medinipur and Jhargram.
Both
I am
DPSCs.
for both the DPSCs.
Mr. Chaudhary is there.
আমরা তো করি। State আছে
State-
তো? State is not here. State কে আছে?
Let me short pass over, my lord.
Hot pass over করে কি হবে? পরের দিন করিস।
Yes.
My lord, I am for the both the DPSC. The state is not here. একটাও মামলা করতে পারলাম না। আমি তো বাধা দিচ্ছি না সবটাই।
He has come. Advocate for the state.
না সৌরভ বলছে।
Eastern.
ভাববেন না কি করে হবে।
Don't know who is appearing. গেল। আর কি হবে?
State নেই। 32.
State name আপনি কার?
Madam, my lord, they have been not allotted in state. I have informed. I have served, but not allotted to anyone. 31.
GP has come. GP has come. We can appoint any. It is not allotted, then we can appoint anybody. Mr. Das can also appear. You are for the impaneled in state. So we can dispose it off. Mr. Das, if you appear, you just find out whether any allotment. He says it has not been allotted.
আজকে মেডিকেল রাউন্ডে উনি আসেননি।
Oh,
বললাম তো মেডিকেল রাউন্ডে স্যার আসছে।
তুমি
আমি বললাম মেডিকেল রাউন্ডে ম্যাডাম আছে।
who is allotted this case? Who has been assigned?
সুচরিতা রয় ভট্টাচার্য
He has not come.
নেই।
Next.
মুর্শিদাবাদ।
Murshidabad, well, I am here.
virtual mode.
Murshidabad আছে। 32.
মেডিকেল ইন্টার ডিস্ট্রিক্ট স্টেট।
Now 32. Mr. Jahan is appearing in 32.
Yes, my lord.
But
On behalf of the Murshidabad district also.
State is not there.
Then not today.
Not today, but ঠিক আছে। 33.
33 my lord, I am for the petitioner my lord. ঝাড়গ্রাম inter district, ঝাড়গ্রাম to পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর।
My lord, I appear for the state.
স্টেট ঝাড়গ্রাম to পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর।
Mr.
জেনারেল ট্রান্সফার my lord.
কত নম্বর বলো?
All are there.
Yes my lord, distance count জেনারেল ট্রান্সফার ঝাড়গ্রাম to পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর। Joining my lord 2017.
This is
if not transferred, otherwise.
33.
this is for the first time or you have been transferred earlier?
No, first 2017 I joined my lord.
17 এর পরে ট্রান্সফার নিয়ে
না এখানে লিখ 3 নাম্বার পর আছে।
This is on which ground?
হ্যাঁ ডিসটেন্স
120
জেনারেল ট্রান্সফার my lord.
5 years completed.
Okay. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the responding authorities to grant inter-district transfer to the petitioner from
ঝাড়গ্রাম to পশ্চিম
from district of Jhargram to district of Paschim
মেদিনীপুর
Medinipur on distance ground.
my lord.
The petitioner contains that
Paragraph 3.
she joined as an assistant teacher.
He, my lord.
He
Yes.
He joined as an assistant teacher in
Paragraph 3, I stated assistant teacher.
Pachapani Board Primary School on 6th February 2017.
My lord.
The petitioner has been confirmed in service with effect from, where is the confirm?
Page my lord 16, 1/6.
The effect from
6 to 9, 2019.
6 to 2019. The petitioner's residence is about 120 kilometers from his present place of posting. On when did you make this application?
5th January 2025.
On 5th January 2025, the petitioner made a representation before the authority concerned seeking transfer. However, the same is still pending consideration, hence this writ petition. Where is that representation?
Page
19.
Page 19. P4.
No, it is same.
Respondent number 4 consider.
5 years completed.
5 years, 2017 joined.
10 weeks. দেখো
34 my lord, I am for the petitioner. Distance denial transfer.
State is there. DPSC.
Yes, Lord, I am here, Lord.
Murshidabad and the other DPSC is
North.
Not 24 Parganas. দেখো
Denial transfer. 5 years complete. My application page 26 my
আছে কিনা দেখো ভাস্কর প্রসাদ বৈশ্য
অনলাইনে ভাস্কর প্রসাদ জয়েন করুন
না গৌরব দা
কিনা কি তাহলে ঢুকে বসে
গৌরব দা নট
দেখো দেখো
গৌরব দা নট সাউথে আছে
দেখো না জয়েন করতে বলো না ডিসপোজ অফ হয়ে যাবে
এই সময়
ask Mr. Boisho to join so that we can dispose it of. You are seeking transfer from Murshidabad DPSC?
Not to Murshidabad DPSC. General transfer 5 years complete.
Join karo. You have sent somebody, Mr. Maji?
Yes. Yes. I will inform. It's a boss.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities for grant of inter-district transfer from the district of Murshidabad to
North 24
to North 24 Parganas. District of North 24 Parganas. The petitioner contains that
North to Murshidabad.
North to Murshidabad.
General transfer.
On distance ground. Petitioner contains that she was appointed as an assistant teacher in Bharvidanga Srinath Primary School under Navadvip Circle, North Circle. Top petitioner joined in the said school on joining date
2011 first joining, thereafter he transferred, and 2013.
No, on which date she joined?
3rd January 2021.
2011?
2011, sorry.
3rd January?
3rd January.
Where is the letter of joining?
Paragraph 3 I stated,
Paragraph 3. Paragraph 3, 5th January 2011.
Yes, my lord, 5th January.
5th January 2011. Subsequently, she was transferred to Bholanath Primary School on 5th August 2013. The petitioner is confirmed.
Yes, my lord.
Where is that? Petitioner is
page
confirmed in service with effect from 5th January 2013.
My lord.
On which date you made your representation?
Representation, my lord.
Petitioner's house is situated
2025.
about 177 kilometers from her present place of posting on
6 September
2025. Petitioner made a representation.
Respondent number 4, consider application.
Your representation.
Respondent number 4, my lord, primary board consider my application.
Concerned authority, however, this same is still pending and hence this writ petition.
Mr. Boisho.
Here, Mr. Boisho.
Let's see.
A representation has been made. This is an inter-district transfer on distance ground. The board will consider that.
Let's see.
Oh.
Let's say I'm a hey Santanu. I am appearing for
Not Bristol.
not lots. Let's say my name
DPSC
is
North 24.
Yes.
Disposed of. Thank
let's say
you.
Name the recorded lots.
Yes, yes.
নামটা কি? ওর সঙ্গে পিনাকি ভট্টাচার্য থাকে।
Next.
I'm grateful. Lots.
Yes.
I'm for DPSC, my lord. This is of
DPSC,
general transfer.
Uttar Dinajpur,
I'm for the petition.
Dakshin Dinajpur.
General transfer.
Within same district.
Same district. Oh, same district. So it's state.
Or I shall
Asubaram.
within same district, Dakshin Dinajpur.
আগের গুলো কি এসছে লোক? আগের গুলো নিতে হবে? ফাইন্ড আউট।
মাল
একটু পাশে রাখুন তো আসছে।
Transfer from Uttar Dinajpur to Bankura. Uttar Dinajpur, Mr. Bishobroto Basu Mollik, possibly he has not come. Let it be
Not today.
37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42,
41, my lord.
41.
Not press his application already transferred.
No.
No, within same district.
Mr. Okay, this is by the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks for
Inter-district transfer.
inter-district transfer. Mr. Shantanu Maji, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the writ petition has become infructuous since the petitioner has already been transferred.
As per the
No, it is not inter-district. Within the district. The intra-district transfer has already been transferred. He files a copy of the order of transfer dated 27 January 2026. In view of the above, the writ petition, being WPA 25713 of 2025, stands dismissed as being infructuous. All connected applications in.
I am for the DPC Bakura lots.
Bakura.
Yes.
But here lots of video is off, not lots of functioning lots.
Yes, yes.
But here lots of here your side lots of I think lots of okay lots. Yes, let's say I put the Bakura. Okay, lots.
The transfer order has been effected. He is stating that it has become infructuous.
Lots.
Okay.
I am grateful. Lots.
Dismissed as infructuous.
42.
I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
This is
DPSC is appearing on behalf of the
from which other DPSCs?
Hooghly is there.
Only Murshidabad within.
Hooghly to Murshidabad, ma'am. Hooghly is not there.
Hooghly is not here, not today.
43.
Yes.
Okay, my lord. I'm for the petitioner. Howrah inter-district transfer from Howrah to Paschim Mednipur, my lord.
DPSC Howrah? Board and Howrah, Mr. Chaudhary.
Murshidabad DPSC, my lord.
Murshidabad is also there.
No, my lord. Yes, Howrah to
Howrah to Paschim Medinipur.
Right, no?
I am for the DPSC Paschim Medinipur. Confirmation আছে?
হ্যাঁ, confirmation, my lord, on 26 July. Page.
State নেই
এই স্টেট
তাহলে কি করে হবে?
স্টেট নেই তো।
Difficult. Not today.
44, 45,
45 my lord, I am for the petition হয়ে যাবে 45 my lord, south to পশ্চিম
I
মেদিনীপুর
am applying for the state.
south to পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর spouse medical gown
South 24 Pargana DPSC.
medical gown spouse medical joining 2021 confirmation yes appointment page 41
confirmation
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities for grant of inter-district transfer from which place?
south 24 parganas to পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর
From South 24 Parganas to Paschim Medinipur on spouse medical ground. The petitioner contains that he joined as an assistant teacher in
সেলিম খান
no, I do not follow.
Petitioner is he.
He.
সেলিম খান
Oh,
Male.
the petitioner joined as an assistant teacher in Purbo Alampur FP school on 19 July 2021. The petitioner is confirmed in service with effect from
page 17 my lord 9
19 July 2023. The petitioner's residence is situated about 193 kilometers from his present place of posting. The wife of the petitioner is suffering from polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. 6. On 27th October 2025, the petitioner made a representation before the
number 4
respondent number 4 for concerned authority seeking transfer, baki the same, subject to production of medical documents within a period of 10 weeks. It is made clear that this order is passed under special circumstances and should not be treated as a precedent. Next.
46,
46.
I am for the state, my lord.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Murshidabad.
My lord, inter-district transfer.
Inter. From
Intra, Murshidabad, my lord.
within Murshidabad.
Within Murshidabad.
State.
State.
I am for the state, my lord.
You are for the state.
For item number 46, my
46, my lord.
lord. My lord.
46, sir, you are appearing for the state in 46.
My lord. My lord.
And Mr. Jahan is for?
I am for the Murshidabad DPSC.
DPS. When did you join?
My lord, joined in 30th September 2029, my lord. 19.
19.
19. Completed 5 years, my lord.
What is the ground?
My lord, ground is the medical ground of the wife, my lord, spouse.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record by the present writ petition. The petitioner seeks for intra-district transfer to a school nearby his place of residence. The petitioner contains that she joined as an assistant teacher in 9th Sikorpur Primary School under Farakka Circle, District Murshidabad on 30th September 2019. Joined as an assistant teacher. The petitioner is confirmed in service with effect from 30th September 2021. The petitioner's house is situated about 70 kilometers away from his place of residence. Petitioner's wife is suffering from which paragraph?
Para 6, my lord.
Suffering from various gynecological problems. Petitioner made a representation on 15th October 2025 seeking transfer. However, the same is pending consideration, hence this writ petition. The same subject to production of medical documents disposed of within a
Yes.
period of 8 weeks from date of communication of this order.
Affidavit of service kept.
10 crore.
My lord, kindly record my appointment.
Yes. Record.
Grateful, my lord. Yeah.
Lord, I am for the petition. Lord, the self-medical ground, petitioner,
Nobody is here. Not
Murshidabad district.
Murshidabad.
My lord,
State.
State, my lord, he is online. Just now, my lord, yeah. Malay Kumar De, my lord. Malay Kumar De, ekটু দিন লাইনটা দিন একটু। I talked to him on the phone, my lord, just now, my lord, he is online, my lord. Malay Kumar De.
দেখো মলয় কুমার দেশ ফাইন্ড আউট না এটা আসেনি মলয় কুমার দে ইজ নট হিয়ার
লাইন দিতে পারছে না ও মেল হ্যাঁ ও ঢুকতে পারছে না আমার একটু সঠিক পাস আমি
নেক্সট
The petitioner, Mr. Prasad, DP, is
Malda.
appearing for the DPSC. But let it be not today.
Next.
49, I am for the petitioner.
49 lordship appear for the state. It's a Malda.
Malda DPSC.
Similar situation lordship on medical ground.
Next week we take it off. So Malda is not here.
This time, general transfer.
Malda is not here. DPSC Malda, anybody apart from Mr. Prasad is there?
Sir, Prasad is going to exercise his voting right.
Oh.
Oh, voter.
Mr. Nayak, then
not.
Next week.
50, 51, 52,
52, my lord, I am for the petitioner. Within same district, inter-district, Murshidabad.
Murshidabad, she was there. State, who is state advocate?
Passover, my lord, then myself.
আবেগ হয়ে যায় মুর্শিদাবাদ আছে ওকে
53,
ফাস্ট ওভার 53 নেই not today
55, 56,
I thought 6, my lord, I am for the petitioner.
not today
57,
I am for the state.
58,
In 58, I am for the
not today
59, 60, 61,
I am for the DPSC.
62,
I am for the petitioner.
63, 64, 65,
My lord, 65, I am for the DPSC, my lord, one thing, my lord. Mr. Atreya Chakravarti is appearing for the petitioner. My lord, he asked me to point out before your lordships one thing. My lord, item number 65 and 276 is a similar matter. So if both are on item number 65, he wants to not press this application and he has to press the 276. So if both can be taken up, so both can be disposed of.
এটাকে পরপর তাহলে নেক্সট উইকে পরপর রাখো আজকে নট টু
একটু ছিল তিনটে
276
my lord 276
তাহলে 65
মানে
এর
বিপ্লব
পরে
মহাতো।
276 টা রাখবেন ঠিক আছে
65 and 276 65টা not press হয়ে যাবে আর ওটা
It is that matter lordship.
on the earlier
Two matters
occasions,
we
my
have
lord.
done.
Okay.
Some documents are
Two
missing,
matters.
so he has made
Two
a.
matters we have already done.
ঠিক আছে 65 and 276 পর পর হবে ওকে নেক্সট ডেট উইথটা করবে না পরে রাখবে একটার পরে একটা রাখবে একটা উইথড্র করবে একটা প্রেস করবে
I am for the petitioner, my lord. Not today. 67, I am for the petitioner. 68, I am for the petitioner. 68, I am for the petitioner.
এক সেকেন্ড
হু ইজ ফর দি পিটিশন
64 চলে গেছে 68 68 মানে I am for the petitioner.
ইংলিশ ঠিক রে এটা
68 the other side is there
DPSC নাকি
নেই
68 my lord. ঝাড়গ্রাম to পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর.
Oh, I am for the DPSC, both the DPSC.
State
is not here. I am not seeing it.
Not today.
70, 71,
71 মানে I am for the
71, I am for the CPSC মনে হয়।
ঝাড়গ্রাম to পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর.
State
is not here.
72,
72 also I am for the petitioner.
next
73,
72 I am for the petitioner.
74,
74 my lord I am for the petitioner. I am for the state.
this is inter district 74
74 my lord mutual inter district.
which are the DPSC
DPSC my lord. Nodia to Kolkata.
Nodia, Mr. Chatterjee is not here.
is not here Shalin next
75,
But I am for the petitioner. I am in online. But the petitioner does not want to proceed with the case. He has already written me a letter. If your
Well,
lordship kindly fix the matter tomorrow as to be mentioned, my junior will do that. As to be mentioned, because my lord, I have to produce the documents, that documents.
75 এটা তুমি মেনশন কালকে রেখে tomorrow
Tomorrow, my lord, as to be mentioned.
ঠিক তুমি
For non-prosecution.
75 tomorrow to be mentioned
Grateful, man.
77,
76, my lord.
76 your other side nobody is here
77,
77
Inter-district transfer, I am for the petitioner.
DPSC from which place to which place
Within Paschim Midnapur, from Chaksahapur Primary School to any school in Kharagpur.
so that is within Paschim Mednipur so Mr. Saha is there who is for the state
Have you served? Yes, this is the affidavit of service. Oh,
within the district
আমি appear করছি, but I have not received.
state
নাম্বারটা একটু বলো।
The service is complete.
না না নাম্বারটা একটু বলো।
next week
795.
78,
next week
Next.
79,
27959.
নাম্বার কত?
Of 2025.
না না নাম্বারটা বলো।
আমার নাম
না না সিরিয়াল নাম্বার কত ছিল?
82,
আজকের সিরিয়াল নাম্বার কত ছিল?
77.
Howrah to Paschim Mednipur Howrah
কত নাম্বার?
Chaudhary is here for Howrah
Lordship, Howrah and but state.
এই আমার একটা কপি দিই।
83 also I am for the petitioner my lord. পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর.
Paschim Mednipur within
I am appearing
পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর হুগলি.
হুগলি।
Hooghly there next
84,
আজকে প্রচুর ম্যাটার হয়ে যেত।
85, 83,
86 I am for the DPSC.
87,
এখানে
I am for the state lordship.
I am for the petitioner my lord.
state is there this is within
পশ্চিম বর্ধমান.
This general transfer lordship.
পশ্চিম
you are for
State.
no who is for DPSC Bardhaman
পশ্চিম বর্ধমান প্রীতম
yes come Paschim Bardhaman today is the date
yes
তাহলে আসুন next
89,
91, I am for the petition. It is already infructuous. Petition has already been transferred after
Order.
filing of the. My lord,
copy of the order of transfer
no, my lord, I don't. Then, my lord, kindly I have not. Over
89.
the 91. Over the phone, petitioner has instructed me, my lord.
No, I have to see the order of transfer.
Okay, then my lord, kindly fix it up on the next date, my lord.
Next week,
In
My lord, I am for the petitioner Jharkhand to Paschim Medinipur.
State is not here.
General transfer.
আসবে অনেক ম্যাটার হয়ে যাবে।
I am for DPS this matter. She is for the petition.
98, 99, 100, 101, 102,
I'm for the DPSC matter.
106,
Next.
104, 105,
I am for the DPS.
106, 107,
But I am for the petitioner, my lord.
107.
Yes,
107
ma'am.
and for the state.
107 state. Who is
My
for the
lord,
state?
it is a inter-district, my lord, inter-district, my lord, Purulia to Nodia. So, my lord, I think, my lord, Nodia District Primary Council is not
Nodia is
present.
not here. Mr. Chattopadhyay is not here.
Kindly make it not today, next week, my lord.
Yeah, okay.
108,
And 108, my lord, it is inter-district Purulia to Paschim Bardhaman. Yes, my lord. That's why, my lord, I am paying it not today.
Not today. Not today. Thank
Next week, my lord, let it be taken.
Next week. Next week.
109
I am for the DPSC, but state কেউ আছো?
110, 111, 112,
Your Lordship, I am for the petitioner. In
112. This is inter-district transfer.
Inter-district transfer, Your Lordship.
Board is here from which place to which
From
place?
Murshidabad to Nodia.
From?
From Murshidabad to Nodia.
Oh, sure.
Your
Not
Lordship, may I file the affidavit of service?
next.
113, 114, 115, 116, 117,
My lord, I have DPSC, my lord. 117 to 1121.
118,
DPSC.
119,
DPSC.
120,
For DPSC.
121,
For DPSC.
122, 123,
For DPSC.
124,
Uh-huh.
125, 126,
126, my lord, I am for the petitioner.
Anybody? No, no. This is inter-district. Within inter-district transfer. From which place to which place?
South to Paschim Medinipur.
South. Mr. Das is there for South
State.
State. देखो, State is there.
No.
Next.
128,
Your Lordship, in 123, I am for the petitioner.
128 is going.
This is government.
Beat the bus.
I am for the state, madam.
DPSC state.
Someone wait with-
I'm DPSC.
130, 131, 132, 133,
For DPSC, my lord.
134,
এগুলো
135,
আগে করা না
136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166,
for
167,
DPSC, my lord.
168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175,
I'm appearing for the state, 175.
176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184,
My lord, I am for the petition.
18?
184.
184 দেখো তো মালদা
185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 100, 201, 202,
And for the state, my lord, 202.
204, 205,
My lord,
206.
my lord, for item number 168, my lord, for the petition, my lord.
So not
My lord,
today,
can
Maggie.
that matter be upgraded for a bit, my
Call
lord? Because
next.
208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216.
216 state, I am for the state.
1?
216. Sudeep, GPSC Purva Bardhaman. Purva Bardhaman is there. 216. Purva Bardhaman. Purva Bardhaman is Inter district.
I don't know. না থাকলে হবে না।
মানে just 216. 216. Navonita. Purva Bardhaman. Board access.
Purva Bardhaman
election.
Well, this can be disposed of. I shall call Mr. Acharya. This can be relatively passed over. This can be all parties.
All are there.
All are there. DPSC, board, state, all are.
DPSC?
DPSC, Acharya, Mr. Acharya, Purva Bardhaman.
And the other one?
Board is the it is
Other DPSC?
state Nodia. Arindam Chattopadhyay.
Nodia Arindam.
No, হবে না।
Next.
217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 223, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250, 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256.
254, I am for the state, my lord.
5 petitioner name. Not today.
257, 258, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320, 321, 323, 324, 325, 326, 327, 328, 329, 330, 331, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350, 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356, 357, 358, 359, 360, 61, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 370, 371, 372, 373, 374, 375.
Pass over.
47টা দেখুন যদি ঢুকেছে বলছে
22.
22.
Next one. Next.
23, 25, similar. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75.
Participant দেখুন যদি ঢুকেছে বলছে
47টা বলুন
20
47টা বলুন হ্যাঁ 47
yes.
DPS says that Malay Kumar Dev, he is on online মানে নেই এসেছে আসছে না DPSC is the authority within the district transfer
আছেন নেক আরেকটা পাস ওভার আছে না 52 একটা পাস ওভার আছে 52
within the district medical ground DPSC is the authority
what to do I do understand but this state they have been appointed if they don't appear today is a resolution that's why I'm not taking it
ঢুকতেই পারলো কতবার লিঙ্ক